Hey, one time for the one time, and it's your girl Minnie, back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here. Alright, so today I am going to be trying out, I got another wig, y'all. This is the Motown Tress Less Lace Wig Spin Part. Spin that bitch, no. And I got it for $39.99. Alright, so let me just pull her out the bag. It says plus baby hair, more voluminous front hairline. And this is the color 3T4 Blonde, and it's 3 tones. You can get it in multiple colors. And curling iron safe up to 400. And it says spin left, spin right. You can spin that whichever you like. It even tells you how to glue it down, bruh. And washing care instructions. Okay, synthetics is leveling up. Okay. So let me pull her out. Ooh, I don't know about the ends, child. Okay, I had to shake it out. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. So let me just, switch hairs. It does have combs in the on the temple area. It has the adjustable straps, the comb in the nape area. A pretty basic constructed wig. Like, I'm dead getting Beyonce vibes with this. I don't know, anytime like with blonde and brown, I'm getting Beyonce vibes. I love the color of it, but this doesn't get me as excited as the other ones. Let me see if I can part her this way. I'm feeling real grown and sexy. Nah, this is cute. Let me pull it to the side. Okay, to the side. I'm feeling like an older woman. Like, or how old could I be? I'm looking like somebody's fine ass auntie. Alright, so I love the hair. I just don't like the hairline of it. Like, it's very blunt and very straight to the point. Like, it doesn't look natural. It's just like Barbie doll hair. Let me put some powder onto the lace. But it's like a Kim K, hairline, because she don't have no baby hairs or nothing like that. She makes sure her shit is blonde. It does go side ear to side ear. But if you want to see the length of the hair, let me show you. So this is the length of the hair. This is the back. Flowy. Yeah, so the texture is not as silky, but this is cute. So being that she did not answer, she did not respond in 24 hours, I'm gonna pick another winner. I'm gonna pick the winner that always comments on my videos. I know that watches my whole video from beginning to end, because they're always commenting on a part that be all the way at the end or in the middle or not even, or in between. Like, that person watches me. Shout out to you. I appreciate you for always staying tuned in and being tuned in with your girl. Makeup Diva, you won the shades. The girl didn't, nobody replied, nobody answered, and if they did, they were too late. So I'm gonna give the shades to you. If you are watching this, I hope you watch this video in time. Because if not, I just don't know what I'm gonna do with these shades. But if you are watching this video, please comment down below, give me your email so I can send you the shades. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and until next time, peace. I would like to